Welcome to Big Ben, the iconic clock tower of London and a symbol of British heritage. Officially known as the Elizabeth Tower, Big Ben was completed in 1859 and stands proudly at the north end of the Palace of Westminster. The name Big Ben actually refers to the great bell inside the tower, which weighs over 13 tons and chimes every hour. Standing at 315 feet, 96 meters tall, the tower features a magnificent clock with four faces, each 23 feet, 7 meters in diameter. The clock is renowned for its accuracy and the distinct sound of its chimes, which have been broadcast by the BBC since 1923. Visitors can't currently tour the inside of the tower due to ongoing renovations, but the majestic exterior and the sounds of Big Ben's chimes remain a must-see and hear for anyone visiting London. The tower is beautifully illuminated at night, offering a stunning sight against the London skyline. Big Ben is a testament to Victorian engineering and a beloved symbol of London's rich history and culture. Whether you're strolling along the Thames or exploring Westminster, Big Ben is a landmark that captures the essence of London.